Hi, today we're going to talk about the WZB-SGB02. The WZB-SGB02 can be used in entranceways where security can be monitored. The WZB-SGB02 is part of the ZigBee Wireless Solutions Network. You can put this in your window to monitor the sound of glass. Now we're going to talk about the WZB-SGB02 in Quick View. So you exit out, go to Quick View 1.4.4, click on that. As you can see, we're on the settings page. This is DIO, and we are DIO number 7. And you can start polling. Do you want to key in an ID name? No. And it starts polling. As you can see, it's number, date, the time, and whether there's an alarm. So if we click on the SGB02 on the desk, an alarm will sound. So save and exit out. Go to Computer, C drive, NHR Quick View, Port 4, DIO, and this Excel sheet. As you can see, this number, the date, the time, and number 7. And here there's no alarm. And when I clicked it on the desk, there's no alarm. And then it reset, there's no alarm. So that concludes our demonstration of the WZB-SGB02.